Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and in this video, today we're going to talk about what are the best sealants for your vinyl windows. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about the outside of the window for the installation. What we like to use whenever we're doing our primary sealant and secondary sealant is going to be our Neoflex. All right, now this is a hybrid polyurethane sealant and has great elasticity. Now what that means is when the window expands, right, we want caulking that is going to expand with it and not crack, not get brittle. This can put up with the abuse. When the window contracts, when it's cold outside, again, the window is going to be sealed to the original frame and not have any splits, which can create issues for water infiltration in the future, right? So it's an oil-based product. This is not something that you would want to use water to adhere to. You're not going to catch me using this on the interior of windows. Now you can theoretically do that, but it's a mess to try to clean that up. What I would usually suggest to people is you want to go around the perimeter of your house, take a look at the windows, right? And you want to look at the perimeter of the frames and see if there's any breaks in the seal, and if there is, go grab yourself a tube of caulking, but that's gonna match the color of your window, right? So you can get this in different colors. You can get it in white, you can get it in different tans. This brand will hold many different shades of tan. If you wanted bronze, if you wanted black, they got it specifically for you. So let's turn our attention to the inside of the window. So whenever we're doing our finishing touches after we've installed the windows and we want to seal any types of gaps on the interior, we want to use another type of sealant. In this case, we like to use Tower Sealants AU1. Again, with this sealant, you can get so many color options. Now, why do I like to use this? The reason I like to use this is because it's a water-based acrylic urethane. Now, the way I like to apply this is the painter's method. That's where you take a wet sponge, you apply it to the area in which you want to actually fill the gaps in, apply this, reapply the sponge, and then, knock it down with your finger. And it cleans up so nicely. Unlike the oil-based that we would use for the exterior, this is a water-based sealant. Now, you can use this for the outside, but it better be a hot day, right? And it better not have any moisture in the air, as far as like rain coming down, because it'll wash this stuff right out. Kind of a long-winded explanation about the right types of sealants. Now this is for vinyl windows, okay? Now you can use polyurethane for wood, you can use it for metal. It's meant for all of that, okay? But primarily, a lot of our business is done in vinyl, so let's talk about that. All right, guys, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.